This tutorial shows you how to add sequential numbers to each paragraph in your document. First, open Word. Open the document you want to number. After that, select all the paragraphs you want numbered. From there, click Home at the top. At this point, click the drop-down arrow next to the numbering icon. In the next step, choose a numbering style from the list shown. Following this, each selected paragraph will now show a number in front of it. Once done, if you want to customize the format, click the drop-down arrow again. From here, click Define New Number Format. At this stage, adjust the number style, font, or alignment as needed. Keep in mind, adding or deleting a paragraph automatically renumbers the rest, so you don't need to fix the sequence manually. Finally, click OK to apply your custom format. And that's it. If this guide helped you number paragraphs in Word, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.